Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to get notification for important comment in your YouTube Studio app. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your YT Studio app in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here you only have to do is click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click notifications. Okay guys, in notification, you will see the important, get notification for important comments. So okay. So you only have to do is click the button on the right side of important. So okay guys, your YT Studio are set to get notification for important comments. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.